The MongoDB connection string is a URL that specifies how to connect to a MongoDB instance or cluster. Finding it depends on whether you're using MongoDB Atlas or a self-hosted MongoDB setup. MongoDB Atlas. To find the connection string for a MongoDB Atlas cluster, log into MongoDB Atlas. Visit MongoDB Atlas and log in with your credentials. Access the cluster. Once logged in, go to the Clusters tab and select the cluster you want to connect to. Click on Connect. In the cluster dashboard, click the Connect button. A window will pop up with several connection options. Choose Connect your application. Choose Connect your application for a connection string formatted for use in applications. Copy the connection string. Atlas provides a connection string in the following format. Replace username and password with your database credentials and cluster address with the appropriate cluster details. Self-hosted MongoDB. For a self-hosted MongoDB, the connection string follows this format. Replace username, password, and my database with the appropriate details.